In this video, I'm breaking down how to make the most amazing liver and onions, Venetian style. Now I know what you're thinking, liver? Really? But trust me, this Venetian style liver recipe is a total game changer. The onions get so sweet and caramelized, perfectly balancing out the rich liver flavor. It's stupid easy, but there are a few key things you gotta know to get it perfect. Let's get into it. To prepare this dish, first peel and thinly slice the onions. Rinse the liver under cool running water. Pat the liver dry thoroughly with paper towels before cutting it into pieces. In a large nonstick pan, melt the butter over low heat. Add the olive oil and sliced onions, sautéing for approximately 5 minutes until the onions become soft and translucent. Increase the heat to high and add the pieces of liver in a single layer. Fry the liver for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly to ensure even browning on all sides. The liver should develop a rich brown crust. Once the liver is browned, add the vinegar to the pan and stir immediately. The vinegar will deglaze the pan, releasing any browned bits stuck to the bottom. Cook for a few seconds, allowing the vinegar to evaporate completely. Remove the pan from the heat. Add a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, stirring to combine the seasonings. Garnish the finished dish with freshly chopped parsley. Serve the liver and onions immediately while hot. Enjoy!